Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a Cadillac Escalade and it's the first electric Escalade. So it's the 2025 Escalade IQ. The casting is by Matchbox, part of their moving parts line, and it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Escalade IQ out of its box, and as you notice, it's finished in white. It's got these wheels which we have seen a lot of different Matchbox SUVs, and they do look good here because they did all black treatment. Looks good. Also, since we are on the driver's side, you can see it's got, I think, the charge door on this side for charging the SUV. It's a full-size SUV, believe it or not. It's a huge SUV. I have seen these on roads, so these are really big SUVs. So you've got door handles. I think the step comes out when you open the door, so it might be tucked in somewhere, kind of thing. Also on the side, you can see it's got the rear view mirror and this trim. It's kind of, a premium kind of thing. You can see it's got a spoiler, sharpened on the top. Let's move to the front. So up front, you've got some nice details. You can see it has got detailed headlamp, these LED lights, turn indicator, Cadillac badge. Lower grille is also detailed. So upper grille basically is not functional. It's an electric car, so it's just a painted grille there. So if you look from here, you also got both the windshield wipers, both the mirrors. You can see those. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference, no charge port door here. The top is kind of finished in the same plastic material where glass and everything is shown. They just have like a different piece here to show differentiation between windshield and the glass roof, I guess. This part is metal though. It's painted black. It's metal. Now coming to the back, again good details in the back. You can see you've got detailed tail lamp. You've got the upper stop lamp, I see. You've got the Escalade badge on this side, Cadillac badge in the middle. See if it can focus. There you go. Lower bumper again finished in black. Rest of the bumper is white. This is how it looks from the bottom. And since it's a part of moving parts line, so it does have this rear hatch that opens up. You can see the interior finished in beige. No major details inside there. It's just the rear hatch or tailgate that opens up. So overall, well, it's a nice looking casting. It's got some great details in the front and in the back. And I think it should be a good addition to any collection. I just wish they did like a clear windscreen and tinted everything else, but I can understand you can't do different colors in the same plastic, I guess. But yeah, because it would have made the interior more visible. I think it's got a decent interior, would have made it look better. But this is what you get, and I can't complain much. So that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.